Hey guys, what is up? And I'm back with another video, and this time we're going to be talking about 5 apps that you can use while you're on quarantine. So the first app is actually a Chrome extension called Netflix Party. So if you've seen this, you've probably already seen this, but it allows you to watch the same show with your friends at the same time while having a chat on the side. I know many of you probably been doing this over FaceTime, press and play at the same time, but this makes the whole experience a lot easier and a lot smoother. Link is in the description down below for you to go and download this extension, and all you have to do is add it to Chrome, and you have to be on Chrome to be able to use this, otherwise you will not be able to use it, unfortunately. And you need to be on a desktop or laptop for you to be able to use this feature. Unfortunately, it is not available on iPhone or mobile as of yet. The second app is actually YouTube, and it's probably what you're watching me on right now, and there shouldn't be really anything for me to explain here. It's going to help you pass your time, and it's going to keep you occupied, and it's probably going to come out of a feature like Netflix Party in the future, but probably not just yet. So the third app is for all you gamers out there. It's called Discord. So if you're already a gamer, you should probably know about this. It allows you to call, video call, text, have group chats, anything you can possibly think of, and you can have your own servers with your own little group of friends, which allows you to stay connected through this time of lockdown. So the fourth app is for all you business owners out there, and it is called Zoom. It allows you to have all your business meetings in one place, and Zoom is quite the professional standard. As I mentioned with the other apps, it's also available on all platforms and allows you to download and keep it all synced throughout all your devices. So number 5 is the elephant in the room. It's TikTok. So I told you last video as well, if you don't already, make sure to click right there and go follow me on TikTok, because I would really appreciate it. And the other platform you need to follow me on is Instagram, but TikTok is blowing up. So if you're on TikTok, get on TikTok. It will help you pass your time. There's hilarious videos on there. I'll do a top 5 people to follow on TikTok on my TikTok. So with that all being said, I hope this was a quick and simple video for you guys to watch. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video.